Want to go ahead and introduce yourself real quick and kind of dive into why why you're working on it today?
Well, we're doing a headers kit and a clutch kit. So as it is right now, bone stock stage 3, stock exhaust, stock clutch, and hopefully it'll be a lot smoother and a lot louder because I can't stand how quiet it is. But yeah, we can get started here in a second. It should be good. Not that bad to do. We'll be all right.
How excited are you to work on getting those headers off?
A little bit of a pain, but with that, at least engine hoist there and stuff, it shouldn't be too bad. It'll still be annoying.
Yeah, at least you're not doing it on the ground and...
No jack stands. Nice lift. Last time I did that, it was on jack stands, not fun.
Oh, that's rough. So what's the story behind this? Like, are you like one of the first owners of it, or like how did you get in the position of getting this level of a Mustang and even a Roush Mustang at that?
Well, I got this in July. I'm the third owner. I originally had a 2012 Lava Red car, just a Mustang GT. Had a Paxton kit on it, full bolt on everything else. Unfortunately, got in an accident with that one, crashed it. So I moved on to this. Happened to be not too far, hour and a half away up north. I had a Roush car before, 2 cars ago, so it was cool to get back into one. And it being a stage 3, a little more rare, harder to find, and of course being a Coyote, a lot better. So, no, this should be a good upgrade. And now I'm finally diving into more engine mods. Yeah.
Do you have do you race it at all? Do you plan on racing it, or is this just like I love having a nice daily that's just fun to enjoy?
I think a little both. I've taken it once already to Little River. Only was able to do 1 pass, just got there late. But it's mostly a daily right now. I take it anywhere. I just got back from a long road trip, so it's very reliable. We'll keep it that way for the most part. It'll just mostly say a street, occasional racing here and there, but just keep it streetable, yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about specifically what type of clutch from Vengeance and the headers and exhaust kit from Texas Speed that you're putting on?
Vengeance, we have a stage 2, is a twin disc. Very good from what I've heard. It's my first time running a Vengeance clutch. I've had different brands, but this will be a good clutch from other word of mouth. Let's get a little peek here.
It's the gods just start singing.
Flywheel as well, so ceramic. Should hold plenty of power for what I'll just plan. I'm gonna hope to at least keep the car for now around the 6s, maybe touch close to 7. Gen 1 motor, so still have to stay a little less in power, but can still enjoy it. Yeah, twin disc, it should be good. Not a super heavy clutch throw from what I've heard. Still dailyable if needed, right? So great clutch there. Exhaust, we have our long tubes catted, high flow cat, all the way back to valve muffler. So, and I think the valve's over there if we want to take a peek to that.
Oh. Don't put your hand in.
Yeah, already found out. Nice valve there, so when I want to be quiet, I can be quiet.
It's kind of nice.
Loud, but not a giant muffler, but still like a good size to where it's not going to be extremely loud. Nobody likes a screaming Coyote. It needs to be toned. If you have a loud Coyote, I'm sorry, it doesn't sound good.
We're talking to you, takeover kids.
Yes. Oh my gosh. I like mine to sound good, not super loud. Give it some tone. It will have an X pipe, but I think with these mufflers, and if I need to be quieter sometimes, it'll still sound healthy. We can dive right into it.
All right, cool. Where are we at so far?
So far, okay. We have gotten mid-pipe out, taken a few bolts out from the top motor mount, battery tray out of the way. I'm gonna start getting these cats and top bolts.
The hardest bolts to get to?
I was about to get those out. You fucking beat me to it.
Yeah, he's moving too slow.
Give me an update. Where are we at right now?
We're about to take the driver's side motor mount out. Okay. So then these last 2 bolts on the header can just come off and then we could slide the header right out.
Do this like the YouTubers, like we're on a crunch. We're getting ready for LS Fest, Texas, because this totally has an LS in it. It's 10:43. We have to get it ready by the morning at 8 a.m. We're gonna be pulling an all-nighter. Put some steaks here. Ta-da! Oh God! I'm awake. So, which side is that? The driver's side or the passenger?
This is the driver's side.
How do we feel now that we got that out?
That was the easier side.
Oh no. So it is, what time is it? It is
It's only
1:51, almost 2 o'clock.
These just stock bolts, stock headers are just a pain, little by little. This last bolt's about to almost come out, and then we can throw the TSP header in.
Hell yeah.
I'm just right there getting it, but I got like a quarter turn.
Also, the transmission is on the floor now because while Paul was trying to do stuff, this strap decided to just give out.
I mean, we caught it. It was fine. It's just easier on the ground, that's all. We were just getting a little loose.
Nothing got broke. Nothing's broken. It's just that, well, the strap is, but that's different. Oh, yeah, that's right.
This thing fell out of the clutch.
That's my friend.
This thing is the Rat Rod Roush.
Alright, so flywheel's in. Now just onto the clutch.
Alright, Texas Speed fans, we just finished bolting up the headers. Now we have our Vengeance clutch in. It's a stage 2 twin disc, provided with the flywheel. Got that thing all torqued up and proper alignment. You know, you have your proper alignment when the alignment tool comes out nice and smooth. So next we're gonna put the trans up. We're on the long stretch here.
Just about there.
Should be finishing up probably another hour or two.
Body jumping.
All right, we got headers in, trans back in. Just making sure everything mocks up correctly. There's a lot of adjustability here, so you can play with it. Just aligning those tips, making sure everything fits.
One eternity later.
Alrighty, I left and it was a pretty late night. How did the rest of it go with the transmission put back in and the rest of the exhaust?
Not too bad. It's just a few mock-up parts and seeing what fits best. Put the headers right in. Exhaust was very easy after that. Got a bunch of clamps, so a lot of movement, so easy to just see where you can fit. I was able to line the tips up pretty nicely for what I'm given so far. I think getting them lined up for now is perfect. But clutch went in smooth. Engagement's great. Different from stock, so I'm still getting used to that. Overall, very nice setup. It's on the louder side, but it's nice when I can close the valves and I can just cruise when I need to.
She's done.
Yeah, it really wasn't that bad, no. It's just, since there's like, the car only has 42,000 miles, things have never been pulled out on this car, so the drive shaft was the first to come out. Doing the trans, it's gonna be stuck on there, stuck. So just getting a few things like that, putting it in. It's just car stuff, you know. It might take longer than you think, so you never give it time.
Yeah, fair enough.
But I think for the most part, Paul and I did a good job. He was very helpful, so I appreciate him for that. And it went pretty smooth.